All right. Who is hungry? Okay. So today, at the request of my daughter, we are making fried eggs and avocado and toast. But instead of just following the normal way of making, as you know, I just experiment. So I actually found avocado oil. I'm going to use avocado oil to start making this fried eggs, but I'm actually taking garlic, maybe about 4 cloves, and I grated them, and I have these small pieces. Stove is going to go hot very quick, and I'm going to actually roast this garlic in avocado oil, and then try to make my fried eggs on top of that, and use the same oil to toast the bread. And once that's done, we'll slice up some avocado, put it on top, some lime. How's that sound, guys? Cut! Hi! Welcome to my channel, Creative Cooking with Desi Dad. I hope everybody's staying safe, just like my son. You see, he wears the mask even inside the house. We all have our own masks, and when we go out, we wear those masks and try to be safe. Today we are actually going to make a breakfast dish, just fried eggs with toast and avocado. And I actually found avocado oil, so I'm going to use this avocado oil to make my fried eggs. So I'm just putting a little bit of avocado oil, maybe about 3 teaspoons. The pan is quite warm or hot, probably by now. And I'm going to fry my garlic first in the oil and make the oil kind of garlicky, right? And then fry my eggs and also use the same garlic oil to toast my bread. And for this, we are going to use this type of bread. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is called Aradia.
Pumpernickel.
Pumpernickel. Very good. So this goes really well with eggs. So we are going to try and use this.
Remember practice social distancing.
Okay. And
Safety.
safety, okay. So anyway, the garlic is now getting fried in the avocado oil, so we can actually make our fried eggs. We have about 4 eggs, and let's go. All right, I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. We're gonna make 2. See what happens. Yeah, you see the garlic is really roasted in the avocado oil, and the eggs are getting fried. Looks pretty good. I just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and salt, and I'm going to take this out, and we are going to have it with toast. And the toast, as I said, I'm going to make it in the same oil, the garlic oil. And also we are going to top it with just 1 avocado. We only have 1. That's okay. And put some lime juice on it. All right.
Yep.
So let's see how this turns out. You can come here. There.
I'll go.